The morning saw two blasts taking place in Jammu and at an Air Force station. Jammu police has now registered an FIR under sections of the UAPA and the Explosives Act. Jammu blast case is now being treated as a terror investigation. Meanwhile, the National Investigation Team has begun extensive research at the blast spot. The team has reached in Jammu. Sources add all angles are being looked at. A suspected drone angle is being also explored. However, the theory that the drone may have come from international border is still unlikely, because how did it go undetected will be a question that will be explored. There is also an air balloon theory that will be a part of investigation. Sunil G. Bhatt is now live from Jammu, where the blasts took place today morning. Sunil, huge news today. But is this really a terror angle? What is the drone theory that is being explored by the police and, of course, by the forces? Over to you.
Well, Pooja, right now I'm standing outside Jammu's Air Force Station, and post-midnight between 1:30 and 2, two blasts occurred inside the Air Force Station. And now that the theory that is being investigated is that there were some explosives which were dropped by a drone. So this angle is being extensively probed. NIA team has already reached inside the Air Force Station. They are carrying out a massive search operation inside, and they are collecting evidence. Forensic team had earlier also visited the blast site. They also collected the evidence. So right now nothing is being ruled out, but what has been confirmed is that this case is now being treated as a terror case, and a case has been registered at Jammu Satwari police station under the anti-terror law UAPA. So clearly now the security agencies are treating it as a terror case, but in case it comes out to be that drone was used to carry out this attack, then it's a major security lapse, one. And point number two, that it's also a area of concern, because if this has, is proven that this attack was carried out by using a drone, then it's going to, the security agencies will have to, redraft the entire security policy as far as the important installations are concerned. And the area where this attack has taken place, it's a very sensitive area, high security zone.
Yes.
Jammu Airport, civilian airport, is located just next to the Air Force Station. There is a Jammu cantonment also, and not very far from here we also have Northern Army Command's headquarters in Udhampur
what you're
district.
suggesting is
So,
very
Pooja,
important for our viewers also to not sound alarming. The reasons and causes of the blast are still being explored. Drone theory is being explored. No angle is being left out. But definitely, as Sunil is telling us, that the NIA is on the spot, the police is also investigating, and the police has registered an FIR for now under the UAPA.